Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will talk about this special keyword which is underscore underscore name underscore underscore, and we will see in which situations we use this keyword and why do we use this special if statement which is name is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So let's get started. So to start with, you can see I have two files here. One is mymath.py and other is test.py. Both the files are in the same directory in my project. So now what I will do here is I will define a very simple method which is add, which takes two arguments a and b, and it's going to return the sum of a and b. So we have already seen how to create these kind of simple functions, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this print function to call this add function, and here I'm going to just give two numbers here. So nothing special about this code. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to import this file which is mymath.py file into the test.py, and now I'm going to just use print, and then I'm going to use this module name which is mymath to call this function which is there inside this mymath.py file, and then I'm going to provide two values here once again into this add function. So let's say 7 and 6. Now let me run this test.py file first, in which I'm importing this mymath.py file. So right click and then run test, which is going to run this program. And what you will see here is it prints 26, which is the sum of 10 and 16, which is printed using this print statement. And then you will see 13, which is printed using this print statement, which is the sum of these two numbers which we have provided in test.py. Now I have a simple question. Is this a correct response? Because I just want to call the add method from mymath.py file into the test.py, and I don't want to print any result which is coming from this print statement, because I just want to use mymath.py as a module, and we just want to use the functions inside this mymath.py file, not any special code which is written here. So that's where we use this special condition, which is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, and under this condition we use whatever code we want to execute. And this name is a special built-in keyword in Python whose value is equal to either the module name, which is mymath, or its value is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So under what condition the value of underscore underscore name becomes the module name, and in what condition underscore underscore name underscore underscore contains this value which is main. So whenever you run this mymath.py file as the main Python file, so whenever I run this file which is mymath.py file, then the value of name becomes this, which is underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Let's print the value of this variable, and then we will see how this value changes in different conditions. So once again I'm going to run this code, and you will see the value of this special variable becomes underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So whenever you will run this mymath.py as the main file, then only the value of this special keyword underscore underscore name underscore underscore becomes this main value. Now if I import this mymath module into some other file, for example test.py, and then use the functions from this module, then let's see what happens. So I'm going to just right click on the test.py now, and then I'm going to run it, and you will see the value of this underscore underscore name underscore underscore is now is equal to the name of your module. Okay, so my module name is mymath.py. So here it just prints the module name, and you will also see that because we have provided this condition, this statement is not executed, and only the statement which we have written here is executed, because this condition checks for the name value, which checks whether we are running this mymath.py file as the main file, or we are importing this file into the other file and we are just using the functions inside that module. So this condition is similar to, for example, main method in the C++ or the Java programming language. And what does the main method do in those two languages? The main function is the main entry point of your program. So this condition is performing the same operation. We can run these two files using the terminal also. So in PyCharm, you can just click on this option which says terminal, which opens the terminal in your PyCharm IDE in the same folder in which you are currently working in. And then I can use this Python command to call this mymath.py file first of all. So I'm going to just use mymath.py, which is going to run this mymath.py, and you can see if we run this mymath.py as the main file, then the value of this special keyword name becomes main. Otherwise, when we are going to run this test.py file, in which we are just importing this mymath.py file, and then when I press enter, you will see that now the value of this name variable becomes the name of your module, which is mymath. So in this way, you can use this special condition in Python. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.